Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix Steam pending transaction errors. First of all, open store.steampowered.com. Tap on the store at the top. Select your profile and click on Account Details. Tap on View Purchase History. If there is any purchase history, then it will show here. If you have a problem with a transaction, then get help from below. Click as per instructions. All the purchase history will be shown here with date and type. You can select the transaction in which you are facing a problem. Here you have two options. Either you can cancel the transaction and redo the transaction with another payment method. You can ask for help by clicking on Need Help section. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.